up to another good morning. Time to go. Oh, we are all looking for adventure. 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 We are all looking for adventure.
G'day guys, so I just thought I would do a quick video. What I would like to do is an introduction to vlogging and the equipment that I use and the software that I use. Now there are a few hurdles that a few people suffer, or probably everyone suffers when they first start vlogging, me included, and I'm still very new to it. And so I just want to quickly run through the first of those hurdles, and that is yourself. So number one, the number one hurdle to vlogging, the thing that is going to stop you is yourself. And that is going to be a fear of what people think of you, a fear of being in front of the camera, a fear of what you look like, a fear of what you sound like. And above all, what you have to do really is just get over that and just go and do it. And the more you do it, the more that you become comfortable. Like I say, I'm still very new to it. I still feel a bit uncomfortable, but I overcome this by just saying, look, I've just got to go off and do it. Now the second hurdle is the equipment that you need, and the software that you need to edit these videos. Now I'm a firm believer that it should be quick and it should be easy. You know, not all of us have been to video editing school. We don't all have video editing skills, movie making skills, or voiceover skills. And I personally think that some of those videos, now don't knock me, I appreciate how much time they take to make. Sometimes they just don't look authentic, and I generally like the videos that look a bit more authentic. So my idea is it needs to be quick, it needs to be simple, and it needs to be easy. And I'm going to run through the equipment that I use and the software that I use and show you exactly how I use it. Now I'm not going to do it in this video. That is going to be in our next video. See you again soon.
Hello world, wake me up to another good morning.